What's up, Turbo? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel of Car Enthusiasts. Before we get started, like the video if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and press the bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads, guys. Let's get started with the video. First of all, we are present at Divas Nexa. The showroom details will be present in the description. You'll be able to see the contact detail of Somnath Da. He's the sales executive over here. You can definitely reach out to him and book your Nexa Maruti car straight away, guys. So what do we have in front of us? We have the Fronx 1 liter turbo booster jet, guys, the Velocity edition. As you guys can see, this is basically the same car that comes with accessories kit worth 43,000 rupees, guys. We will explore the accessories kit which is present on the exterior and the interior, and we will see the difference also. What is the difference between the Tizer and the Fronx, so that you get a better idea, guys, which one suits you the most. You will be able to pick after watching this full video. So stick to the end of the video so you don't miss out on anything. Let's jump right into it. So when it comes to Velocity kit, guys, you can see certain red accents over here. This portion is completely new, this red and black. Same story on this side. This is your chrome treatment. This is your Suzuki logo, big bold Suzuki logo in the middle, and your radiator grille is finished in black. Again, Velocity treatment, Velocity edition treatment has this red strip going over here on the bumper. As you can see, the rest is more or less the same. There is no difference. It's not a facelift. This is only the accessories kit that you're getting. This is basically the Alpha dual tone variant, which comes with the 1 liter manual transmission turbo booster jet engine, guys. So it is the same Alpha variant. It just comes with an extra kit which is called the Velocity kit, guys, okay, which is worth 43,000 rupees. Plus in this particular showroom you are getting 15,000 discount in general, and you also getting 10,000 exchange bonus, guys. So what are you waiting for? Do come and check the Fronx out in Divas Nexa. Address of the showroom is in the description. Come straight away and book your car. So now coming to the engine bay, guys, you can see booster jet Suzuki 1 liter 100 horsepower with 148 Newton meters of torque. Engine layout is the same. There is no difference. You get insulation present underneath the bonnet, and the rest, as we have explored this car already. If you want to check that video out, you can go on the top right corner and check out the earlier video we did on Fronx, guys. So we're going to be doing a quick exploration of this. Pretty much the same story, except for certain red accents in the front. Coming to the side profile now, guys, we are at the driver's side. On the body cladding, you can see this edition over here with red accent. Alloy wheel size is 195/60 R16. Dual tone alloy wheels, disc brakes in the front and drum brakes in the rear. Let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think of the design of the alloy wheels? And coming on this side, you do get a 360-degree camera available. Your blind spot monitoring system hai. This is your turn indicator on the ORVMs, and this is some wrap treatment over here with some textures. दूर से देखोगे तो लगेगा carbon fiber treatment है. This also comes with the Velocity kit. You get this red treatment over here, this silver treatment over here. So that's different from the regular Fronx. You get this red strip going on the side skirts. You get big door beats, and it goes all the way at the back, so slightly different than the regular Fronx. You can see the side skirt treatment also, very chunky side skirt of this car. Coming to the rear side, the rear cladding has the same addition which the front had. So you can see this red and this chunky kind of a design over here. And yeah, door handles are finished in body color. You get request sensor, you get your manual keyhole treatment. These door visors do not come with the kit. This is an extra. You'll have to take it as an extra accessory. And of course, roof rail is not functional. Shark fin antenna, dual tone treatment for this car. Black on the top and silver pillow. Okay, so that's what it is. Coming to the rear of the Fronx, the Velocity edition Fronx. Of course, you get a smart hybrid badging in this. इसमें smart hybrid आता है. That is just your auto start stop function. You get this as well in the Velocity edition, guys. The red strip and this black design. Your reflector treatment with 4 parking sensors and a rear parking camera is also present. These are your connected tail lamps. You'll be seeing them in action in the B-roll right now. This is your Suzuki logo finished in chrome. your rear wiper, rear defogger, rear washer treatment, and this again is another Velocity edition accessory, this red strip that is going from here and here, guys. This is your high mounted stop lamp, this is your spoiler treatment. So Fronx written over here, Fronx badging यहाँ पे है. Rear diffuser में भी आप वो red accent देख सकते हो, Velocity edition का accessory लगा हुआ है इसमें. And we are going to be opening the boot. 308 liters of boot space, there's no difference. 60-40 split, you get the same spare wheel which is 16 inches and comes with a steel rim, guys. You get a boot lamp function over here, hook function present over here, and this to store your jack. Okay, so that is there, and that's pretty much it. You get your parcel tray which is detachable. Close the boot. So guys, basically it is the same car as the Tizer. Tizer, and of course Fronx came earlier than the Tizer. Not much of a difference except from the front. If you see, the Tizer is completely different. It has a completely Toyota signature look. Okay, looks like a mini Innova. The Tizer, in my opinion, looks more premium compared to the Fronx. The Fronx looks more sportier, to be very honest. The Tizer, they have, you know, given it a more premium kind of a finish, so that the customers are spoiled for choice, who are of course more enthusiastic. The young generation will be attracted more towards the Fronx, and you know, people who are attracted to more premiumness, people who are slightly older, will definitely go towards the Tizer. Now that is my opinion. Designing is of course always subjective. What are your thoughts? You can let me know in the comments below. यहाँ पे आपको रिक्वेस्ट से मिल जाता है on the co-driver side, same body color finish. Door handles, your fuel treatment is present. B-pillar finished in black. You get this glossy black treatment. Same car, guys. C-pillar finished over here in black. Black finish for the A-pillar. Also, you get this chrome treatment running on the pillar on the top. And that's about it. You get your same. इसमें 360 कैमरा आता ही है, तो ORVM में आपको दोनों साइड में ब्लाइंड स्पॉट मॉनिटरिंग कैमरा is available, guys. One more thing I wanted to show you was the front camera, which is present over here, which is very well hidden. You won't be able to see it, like if you're standing, you have to have a keen eye and then only you'll be able to see it. So you do get a front camera in this because it does come with the 360-degree camera, guys. This is how it looks from the front. You can let me know your thoughts. What do you guys think of the design of the Velocity edition, the accessories that you're getting with this car? Do you find whether it's worth it or not, looks good or not? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, guys. We will get inside the car and see what is different in the Velocity edition of the Fronx 1-liter booster jet, guys. Let's get inside and explore. So let's get inside the Fronx Velocity edition, guys. What do you get over here? यहाँ पे आपको carbon fiber का treatment मिल जाता है. It's not carbon fiber, it's a wrap, but it definitely looks like that. So this is your leather soft touch present on this side, and you get soft touch on this side as well. This is your silver kind of a treatment, darkish silver, chrome treatment on the door opening knob, black treatment on the door closing and opening mechanism. Your ORVM functions are over here. Door lock and unlock button is here. This is your window unlock and lock button, and this is for your windows rolling down and rolling up function, which are all automated. Only the driver side gets the auto up and down function, guys. You get your door handle storage over here. You get your door storage over here, where you can store your 1-liter bottle and your knickknacks very easily, guys. So that's pretty much it on the functions on the door. Let's get inside, explore what we have here. Closing the door. सबसे पहले आपको चाबी दिखा दूँ. It's the same key as the Tizer, and you get the Suzuki logo here and your unlock and lock buttons. That's about it. So now what do we have? First of all, let's talk about the seats, जो मैं आपको दिखाने ही भूल गया. Seats are of course manually adjustable. इसमें आपको automatic adjustment नहीं मिलता है. But this you're seeing is the seat cover, guys. Okay, this is not leather seats. This is a seat cover, which is not covering the seat fully. As you can see, this is your fabric portion which is left out. The middle portion over here is covered, and your headrest seems to be covered, guys. So this is what it is. It is actually matching the color of the fabric seats which come as standard. So this is an addition in the Velocity kit itself, guys. मेरे को लगता है पूरा cover होता तो ज़्यादा अच्छा होता, but that's my opinion. What do you guys think? And seats are comfortable enough. Soft, in my opinion, little on the softer side, but that's okay. It's not a deal breaker or anything like that. It's comfortable enough. Now looking at the steering wheel, if you remember टाइजर के वीडियो में जो हमने किया था, सेम स्टीयरिंग व्हील ही है, बस लोगों का डिफरेंस है. टाइजर का जो वी वेरिएंट है, यू गेट दिस ग्लॉसी ब्लैक ट्रीटमेंट ऑन द लोअर साइड ऑफ द स्टीयरिंग wheel and leather wrap on the top side. So and it's actually leather wrapped all over, but kind of feels a little weird because when you are holding the steering wheel here and all of a sudden you come on this side, so that feeling becomes a little weird because यहाँ smoothness है, यहाँ थोड़ा सा it becomes obstructive. Okay, so I believe full leather wrapped होता तो ज़्यादा ही अच्छा लगता, but ठीक है, they wanted to give some sporty element. I think that's why they have given a dual tone kind of a look for the steering wheel. So you get your track functions over here, volume up and down, track change function, and mute button. Of course, you get your call, accept, decline, and voice command on the left side, and you get a cruise control functions on the right side of the steering wheel, guys. You of course get heads up display, you get your 360 camera view, you get your traction control and your auto start stop function with your headlight adjuster. The rest is the same. यहाँ पे भी कार्बन फाइबर का ट्रीटमेंट थोड़ा दिया हुआ है. ये इंटीरियर इज पूरा सेम. देयर इज नो डिफरेंस बिटवीन द टाइजर एंड द फ्रॉन्क्स. इट इज एब्सोल्युटली the same. This is your heads up display ka unit, and this is the 9-inch touchscreen which we have explored so many times. Is the same. Get a wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, and your basic functions, Bluetooth, and everything is of course present. And so we're not going to dive deep into it. अगर आप बोलोगे अलग से इसका वीडियो बनाओ तो मैं बना दूंगा, guys, but it doesn't seem necessary right now because we've explored it so many times. But do let me know your thoughts. If you want me to make it, I will make it. That's not a big deal. So we're gonna do a soft start once more. Yeah, so you can see those warning lights are present. Airbag ka, seat belt ka, wo sab hai. Abhi airbag ka chala gaya. Tachometer and your speedometer is the same. This is to toggle your MID. This will show the driving data, and this will show your
Please fill the tank immediately.
Yes. So this will show your trip A, trip B, and your odometer reading. You can check out the earlier video of the Fronx or the Tizer. I'll place it, and you can see that the layout is completely the same. Okay, nothing different here. Even the AC is the same. You get all button-based system, single zone climate control, automatic climate control, your internal air circulation, switching off the AC, auto climate control, front defogger, rear defogger, and your blower functions are present here. This is to increase and decrease the intensity of the blower, and this is to increase and decrease the temperature, guys. Glossy black ka element hai yahan pe, and this is silver finish. This is a kind of a bronze copper finish, and this is your maroonish purple finish. थोड़ा मिक्स है उसमें. तो ये आपका ग्लव बॉक्स का ट्रीटमेंट है, which is absolutely the same. And what else do we have here? Wireless charging pad, USB A socket, and 12-watt charging socket. You get your twin cup holders, your 5-speed manual gearbox treatment. This is your handbrake treatment. This is your slidable armrest. Storage, you can see armrest is pretty easy to slide front and back. You get speaker treatment over there and on the driver's side. So 4 speakers in total in this car. Tweeter treatment आपको वहाँ दिख रहा होगा. As you can see, tweeter treatment on this side. So if you count the tweeters, it's the 6-speaker setup. Again, this is already explored. So guys, do let me know. अगर आप बोलोगे तो मैं इसको अलग से बनाऊंगा. Otherwise, नहीं बनाऊंगा. Okay, बहुत बार बना चुका हूँ. And yeah, you get your auto dimming IRVM. You get your vanity mirror with light function on the co-driver's side, and you get a vanity mirror with light function on the driver's side, guys. Pretty much it. Very similar. Same as the Tizer, same as the Fronx, because Fronx came out earlier. Tizer and Fronx में difference अगर हम बोलेंगे तो front के जो exterior portion है ना, the exterior of the front side of the vehicle, that is only different, because I didn't see any major difference in the interior or the rear of the exterior or the side profile, guys. Okay, so only the front is different in terms of looks, because I think the front of the car determines how your car looks. Okay, that's my opinion. Without any delay, let's get to the rear seat and see what do we have over there. The rear space, guys, go khul rahe hai, and it's very easy to enter and exit because this is a this car has a lot of ground clearance. 190 mm का ground clearance आता है इसमें, so this is pretty good. Of course, it's a crossover इसको बोल सकते हो आप, hatch crossover, and that's what it actually is. Okay, so let's check out what treatment do we have here. You get that same carbon fiber का outlook, ये wrap किया हुआ है of course, but it looks nice. यहाँ पे chrome treatment है door handle का, you get that chrome treatment. हिंदी में चला गया था मैं. You get your door opening and closing mechanism present over there. You get your door handle storage, soft touch leather. This is the same treatment, guys. You don't get seat pockets on the driver's seat. You do get seat pockets on the co-driver's side. यहाँ पे है, छुप गया है, ठीक है, so थोड़ा सा difficulty हो सकता है, but that's fine. This side we don't have any seat pockets whatsoever, guys. Over here you can see the rear AC vent design is the same. This is to adjust your blower. This is your USB-C, USB-A sockets for charging. So in total it's got 4 charging sockets and 1 wireless charging pad, guys. Okay, so a lot of charging options in this car, and the Tizer, of course. You don't get armrest in this car, but you do get 3 adjustable headrests. Either you will, in some cars what the trend has become, either you will get 3 adjustable headrests, you won't get an armrest, or you will get an armrest, you won't get the middle passenger headrest. So that has become the trend now. So kahin na kahin cost cutting is happening, because Tizer mein bhi ye nahi tha armrest ka system in the rear. So that is one thing I am noticing. What do you guys think of this trend? Let me know. And headroom and everything I've already shown you guys. You can check out my Tizer video, because it is the same dimensions. There is no difference in terms of dimensions either, guys. So that's something I wanted to state. And similar story over there. You get your grab handle treatment, of course, on your co-driver side, the 2 sides at the rear, but you get hook treatment only on the right side of the rear. You do not get it on the left. Again, it's the same car as the Tizer, or Tizer is the same car as the Fronx. You can decide the chronology. Okay, so let's get outside the car, guys. We have explored everything, and let's conclude the video. Guys, this was my video of the Fronx Velocity Edition 1 liter turbo booster jet, guys. Kafi lamba naam hai. And basically the velocity pack that you're getting with this particular variant, this is the alpha variant, the dual tone alpha variant. This also comes in the Delta Plus variant as well. So, and I'm not sure about the Zeta, but it does come with the Delta Plus and the Alpha variant, guys. So ये 2 variants में आपको velocity pack मिल जाता है, worth 43,000 rupees. When we talk about the pricing, ex showroom is 1163,500. The Tizer V is also priced the same. There's no difference in the ex showroom price, because it's practically the same car. So over there, the only deciding factor will be which design do you prefer. Okay, and only the front is different. So that is something people will look out for when it comes to buying this car. But of course, Toyota offers better warranty. It offers 3-year warranty till 1 lakh kilometers. This one offers a 2-year warranty for 40,000 kilometers. But warranty ki baat kare, guys, it shouldn't be a deciding factor, because both are very reliable brands, the Toyota and the Suzuki. So when you come to long-term usage, Suzuki and Toyota are brands that you can trust blindly. Okay, and the service network is great when it comes to Suzuki service network. It's amazing, so you don't have to worry. It's a headache free car. The Suzuki brand is a headache free brand, so आपको headache नहीं मिलेगा इसमें. आप इसको आराम से book करके, you can take it home. You can just be at peace after booking a Suzuki car. That is for sure. But there are of course a lot of factors, a lot of other factors nowadays people are aware when it comes to buying a vehicle, and vehicle is a big buying a vehicle is a big investment, guys. So a lot of things are available when it comes to the information of the vehicle on the internet. You can definitely do your own research also, and accordingly book your vehicle. But these are my thoughts, guys. I think it's a very capable vehicle. It looks good, has high ground clearance. It has that turbo engine going for itself, which is decently fast, and it gives that kick as well. So a lot of good things going for this vehicle, plus Maruti ki reliability hai. So that is also another thing. Let me know your thoughts, guys. What do you guys think of the Fronx? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Whether you like it, don't like it, whatever your opinions are, do let me know. And thank you so much for joining me in this video, guys. Like the video if you enjoyed this. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and press the bell notification icon so you don't miss any of my future uploads. I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and stay safe, turbo drivers. Bye bye.